Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you the best settings for the MSI Optix MAG241C for gaming. First, open the monitor's on-screen menu and go to the game settings. Set game mode to user. This unlocks full control over the monitor and allows you to adjust every important setting for the best gaming experience. Next, set response time to fast. This provides quick pixel response while keeping the image clean. Avoid using the fastest option because it can cause dark smearing and ghosting during fast movement. Now adjust black tuner to 9. You can also use values between 8 and 10 depending on your preference. This setting helps you spot enemies hiding in dark areas without making the picture look washed out. Make sure FreeSync or Adaptive Sync is turned on. This helps reduce screen tearing and improves overall smoothness while gaming. One of the most important steps is setting the monitor to 144 Hz. Many users miss this step and never experience the monitor's full performance. Next, set brightness to 75. If your room is darker, you can lower it closer to 60. If your room is bright, you can increase it up to 80. Set contrast to 75. For color temperature, choose user mode and enter these RGB values: red 91, green 92, and blue 100. After applying these settings, you should notice smoother gameplay, better visibility, and improved color quality. Thanks for watching.